Welcome back. I'm Ron, the professor. Today we're gonna have a little bit of fun with chemistry, and we're gonna make some essence. So this is a lemongrass essence. It's derived from mixing essential oils, alcohol, and propylene glycol. Now we're making this specifically to add to cocktails. Sometimes you want the essence of something or the scent of something within a cocktail, but you don't actually want to add the ingredient. This is the perfect way to do so, especially with ingredients that can either A, overpower the cocktail if you use it in the cocktail, or B, when you just literally want a wisp of that flavor within your cocktail. Let's get started. Now for our essence, we'll be using some 190 proof food grade alcohol, propylene glycol, which is also food grade, or you want to get something that says grass on it, and some essential oil. Again, you need this to be grass, G-R-A-S, generally recognized as safe or a food grade. Next, something to mix in, and your spray bottles. Links to all of these in the description below. Now, before we go any further, I must give credit where credit is due to Truffle on the Rocks, who is an amazing content creator. He's one of the people who helped develop this recipe and technique, so I must give credit towards him. In his video, he shows how to make an orange essence, which would replace using an orange on old fashions and Manhattans, but I want to take it just a step further and experiment with rosemary, among others. Rosemary can be used in a variety of ways within cocktails, but it can also be very overpowering. Sometimes you just want the scent of it. With this, one little psst, and you have your rosemary in your cocktail. I'm also thinking beyond cocktails. What about using this on a dessert? A little spritz on a cake. Instantly you have this aroma of fresh rosemary going out of the table. Now this is incredibly safe when done correctly, so you must follow this recipe exactly. We're going to start with 10 milliliters of our essential oil. Next is our propylene glycol. We're going to be adding in 20 milliliters. And last but not least, our alcohol, 36.5 milliliters of our neutral grain spirit. This is a food grade 190 proof liquor. And that's all there is to it. Now, as you can see, on the very bottom there, there's separation. Now it's gonna take about 2 to 3 days for it to fully incorporate with each other. Just leave it at room temperature and about once a day, give it a little shake. And eventually you'll have something like this that is perfectly together, no separation whatsoever. The essential oils that say separate the longest will be your citrus oils because they have really high terpenes and they need to be broken down by the high proof alcohol. Now we're just gonna bottle this guy. And there we have our rosemary oil essence. A little shake and a little spritz. It has a beautifully intense rosemary scent, but when you spray it on top of a cocktail or even a dessert, it layers in with everything else. If you want to see how I use my orange oil on a cocktail, click right there. If you want to check out some of my Yes Chef recipes, click up there. Until next time, I'm Ron, the professor.